Alright, let's talk about the reorder data in log file. So you're given an array of logs. Each log is a space delimiter string of words. So for the first word is an identifier, right? So let me just draw a diagram. And all the log can be identified as two. So which is one is letter, the other one is digit. So all the letter logs comes before the old digit. So in this example, digit 1, digit 2, all comes after the later log, right? So digit log and later log. And you also have to sort the later log based on the lexicographically order. And later log is going to be list, and it's going to be list, and it's going to be list. So pretty much it, right? So let me see. The later log is our cam, art, and sorry, this is owned, kit, ditch, right? And this is R0. So you have to sort it. So how do you sort it? So you just compare the index, the character. So A, O, A. So you have to know this is going to be the last one, right? And then R the same, T the same, space the same, C and Z. C is less than Z, so this one will go first. Change to another color. So this one go first, this one go second, this one go third. And the digit, just compare the digit. So what this is a 8151, and this is what 236, right? So this is digit 1, this is digit 2. So digit 1 actually comes before the digit 2, right? So here we go. So yes, here's the solution, right? So what do you have to do, right? This is actually using the sorting array. So you just have to say array.sort, and then you create a new comparator. And by using a lambda expression, it's pretty easy. So let me just start coding. So array.sort, and I'm passing the logs, and I'm going to say log A, log B. So you need two comparison. And so what you have to do is you have to split the array. So split 1 equal to log A dot split by the space with two string, and using a comma, split 2 equal to log B dot split space comma 2. So in this example, right? In this example, I'm going to split this to digit 1. This is going to be split index 0. Split index 1 is going to be A151, right? And this is it, right? And pretty much it, right? So I have a boolean to check if the split at 1 is actually the digit or not, right? So I need to determine is this the digit log or the later log, right? And this is supposed to be easy if I know the first index for the split, right? So it's going to be boolean is digit 1 equal to split 1 at chart at the first index. But I need to know, is this a digit? I need to use a character.chart character.isDigit method, and I will say split 1 at chart at 0, right? And same thing, isDigit 2 is it going to be exactly the same thing. And I'm going to say split 2, and then I will end it. And oh wait, this is split 2, and it should be the same, right? So there was a typo, so I need to make sure if they are not digit, if not digit and not digit again. So both of them is not digit. I just make the typo again. All right, here we go. So if they are not digit, right, I need to compare. So they are actually out. I need to compare the string, right? So basically, I have an income, and I can use what I can use. Compare to method for the string. So split 1, the 1 dot compare to split 2 at 1, right? And if they are not equal, if they are not equal, I mean if they are not equal, then I can just return, right? CMP. Okay. Well, if they are somehow equal, right? If the later log are the same, I need to check the later, which is a key. So this is later and this is later, right? I need to check which one is greater, which one is less, and be honest. So it's going to be split 1 at 0. So compare 2 split 2 at 0. And I made a typo for this one. Okay. And this is pretty much it, right? So afterward, I need to return, like in this scenario, right? Both are not digit, right? And this is a okay. I just try to rephrase all letters, right? And this is one letter, one digit, one digit, one letter, two digits. All right. This is supposed to be how it is, right? So I can just check. Is my digit 1 is digit? So it's digit. It's digit 1, right? I need to check is digit 2. Is digit 2. Is digit 2. If they are the same, I can just return 0. If they are not, right? If digit 2 is not a digit, so it should be a letter, right? Then I can actually pass in 1. So which one? So the split 2 will go first because it's actually later, right? And else I'm going to say -1, so digit will go first. So it's going to be based on the compare to method. So if you go on Google, just say compare to, and you just find out the return index, return value for compare to, and you will be able to know what does 0, 1, and -1 mean. And then this is pretty much it, right? So I will just say return log. So I sorted already, sort the string array already inside my array.sort, and using my custom comparator for sure. This is custom comparator, and let me submit. And yeah, here we go. So all right, let's talk about time and space. So this is actually pretty easy. The time is going to be unlog, right? And n represent the length of the logs. So this is pretty much it. Space is constant. And this is actually using lambda. So if you don't know the lambda, then look at this answer. This is going to be now using lambda, using comparator, and you're still going doing the same idea and just different name, right? Again, this is going to be doable, and pretty much it, right? So let me submit. And then time and space are going to be the same. This is going to be for the time it's going to be unlog, right? You sort it, right? Unlog, and space is constant. You're not allocating space. And this is a solution. And I will see you next time. Bye.